In this video, we'll create an Azure MySQL database and connect it using MySQL Workbench. Go to Azure portal, search Azure Database for MySQL Flexible Server, and select it. Now click the Create button to create a new Azure database for MySQL Flexible Server. Then click the Quick Create button under Flexible Server. First, create new resource group. Fill in the details like server name, region, enter the administrator login ID, password, again confirm the password, check add firewall rule for current IP address, then click review and create, and finally click create. Let's wait for some time until the deployment is successful. Meantime, refresh it to get updated status. Once the deployment is complete, click on Go to Resource Group. Then go to Networking under the Settings option. And check the box to add your client IP address so your local machine can connect. Then click Save and wait while the connection security settings are updated. Now, open MySQL Workbench. Add a new connection. Enter the server name, username, password, and port number. Then click Test Connection. And once it is successful, click OK to proceed and enter it.